Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyV. Welcome back over to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this braids band that I've never tried before. And I'm also going to be reviewing this headband wig that I got, both of them from Wigs by Gaga. So let's get into the unboxing real quick. This is how the hair came packaged. This is for the braids band first. So at first I thought this was something new, but I see that it might have been around for a while. This is pretty much how it looks. It is basically some braids like sewn onto a headband. So you know how we have the headband wigs, which are still a staple for me in my collection. That's pretty much what it is, just braids sewn onto a headband. I also want to point out that the braids are very nicely and neatly done. And as you can see, it's these two rows sewn on, very well done on this headband. So I also purchased this micro twist headband wig where it's just a bunch of micro twists as you see here. It is sewn on a headband again. As you see, there are absolutely no combs in this cap though. No combs whatsoever. So I started off trying out the braid band and honey, I had this thing all wrong. This is not the correct way to wear this band, although it's not an impossible way to wear it either. I realized, I was like, I don't think it's supposed to look this humpy. No, we're gonna have to try this again. So I had to flip that thing around and try again so that it is now laying flat and flush to my head instead of all bulky upside down. To be honest though, I didn't try it myself, but I think when I had it on the wrong way, I probably could have put it up in a ponytail that way, and that would have worked. So I'll definitely have to try that again. So here is the hat option, guys. Of course, with this type of braid band, you're gonna need some kind of hat. So I'm just starting off with a ball cap type of hat, but you can pretty much rock any kind of hat that you want. I mean, the versatility of this braid band. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the back, do a little 360 so you can see how long the braids come. They're at about 26 inches, maybe, pretty long, but not too long where it's in the way. So then I wanted to try a fedora hat, so that's what I'm going to be putting on now. I think I have it on backwards too, but that's neither here nor there. It's still a super cute option. Again, versatility, y'all. So I also wanted to try a black one. I just wanted to give you options so that you can see how to rock it. All right, y'all, so as you can see, like, there are a multitude of ways you can wear this braids band. And do you see how easy it is? Like, put that joint on, snap in place, like a headband wig. Super easy. And you definitely gonna need a hat now to go on top of that because you are exposed all up in this middle area, okay? Definitely need a hat, but any hat will do. You can even do a super cute scarf, like a little turban. Like, there's so many things you can do with this. It's so easy and convenient. This is phenomenal. I am in love with this. So you saw I had it on all wrong before. Not to say that you can't wear it like that per se. I mean, you could probably still rock it like that and maybe do like a little scarf tie or something, headband, something like that. It's not impossible, but I did have it on wrong. And this is the right way where it lays nice and flat and you have nothing to worry about. However, I am all the way exposed here in the middle, so you're gonna need that good hat. But that's what it's for. It's for a quick throw on and go, get out the door, go somewhere real quick, or whatever the case may be. And look, you done, sis. You ain't gotta do nothing. I will be grabbing this so much. You have no idea. So much. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try on the other headband wig, and then we'll get into my thoughts on that one.
That's right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, we ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist, cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden cuppa, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know we can love her. You gonna me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand how you taking all my time.
so for my thoughts on this one, not the biggest fan. I thought, you know, I don't know what I thought, but I'm not the biggest fan of this one. I honestly got it to be like my new workout wig because the one I've been wearing, I usually wear a headband wig when I work out. And the one that I've been wearing is just kind of worn the heck out because I've worn it so much. So I needed a new workout wig. And so I do feel like this wig could still serve that purpose. Would I just wear it out and about? Probably not. Not a fan of this one. Not like I would rock the other one. Like, I don't know. I feel like hair is not even used. I feel like maybe yarn was used to make these super tiny micro braids or twists, whatever they are. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the way it feels, so this will probably like go into a ponytail and, you know, be worn for me to work out. For real, for real. I just don't like the way it feels. I don't like the way it flows. Not a big fan of even the way it looks. Just not a fan of this one. That doesn't mean, though, there are a slew of very nice braided wigs on that website. And I mean a slew. Like, I was like, oh my God, I want that one, I want that one. Now, you know, I'm a little budget conscious, so they might have been a little outside of my budget and what I was willing to spend for them. So that's why I went for this one. This one was very much more inexpensive than some of the other ones. And I really just wanted something, you know, quick and easy to throw on for when I'm going to work out. Like, literally, that's what I was looking for. As far as that other one, though, yeah, that one's going out with me because that one, yeah, I like that one a whole lot. So, Wigs by Gaga, like, they still came through. I feel like they have a lot to offer. It's a very new company to me, and it's Black owned, which I love. This is not a sponsored video, but you know I like to highlight and shout out my Black owned companies. So, you know, feel free to check it out if it's something you're interested in. Even though I'm not a big fan of this one, again, they have a lot of other ones that I'm very interested in. So, you might be too. With this one being my new workout wig, I'm probably going to have to sew in like a comb in the back or maybe up here somewhere because it's not a whole lot of security, you know, as with my other headband wigs. So me trying to, you know, maneuver the hair and get it in a point. Look, I'm just sliding all the way off and back. Like, that's just what's going to happen. There are no combs anywhere. And I don't even have my wig grip on like I normally would, but I am one of those. I still use that middle comb right here so that it doesn't slide back and off. And I like a comb in the back. So I'll probably sew that in myself. No big deal. You know, that'll just be my thing. This hair is also very tangly. Like, there's no gliding through these braids. That's why I feel like yarn is used. Like, this texture is really weird. It's very weird. I don't think hair was used for this. This has to be yarn made. Anywho, that's pretty much all I have for this video. Of course, I would love to know your thoughts. You know, are you feeling these wigs? This one, the other one, either, both? Let me know what you're thinking about these units down in the comments below. I'd love to chat about it. If you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me this little blue hat right here down in the comments so that I know you made it to the end, and you know I love and appreciate you for that. I thank you all so much for rocking with me today. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.